Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to add a DNS record in Godaddy to connect your domain to websites, email services, or other platforms. Whether we are adding an A record, CNAME, or a TXT record, the process is quick and simple. Starting on the Godaddy dashboard, all we need to do is click on the domain in the drop-down menu, and then click on DNS. Let's wait for the page to load. Once it loads, we can add a DNS record by going to this section. Make sure you do not turn this on just yet. For the records, click here, and then click Add Record. From here, we can add any type of record, whether it's a CNAME, TXT, or another type. We just need to select the record type we want to add. After that, we simply need to fill in the details. We can also set the TTL and the name depending on how we want to connect the domain. And that's it. That's how we add a DNS record in Godaddy. With just a few simple steps and the right settings in place, the domain will work exactly as needed.